Welcome back to another tutorial on Wondershare Filmora. Now, once you've downloaded and installed it, once you open it up, this is what you'll be met with. So from here, you can create a project. You have this version in your project. You can open recent projects if you want. And then we have something known as the aspect ratio. Now, for now, we'll not dive too much into that, but if you click here, you can see we have other different aspect ratios. But I would advise you when you're working with this, as of now, just select the 16:9 ratio and leave it at that. And then head over here and just open new project. So this is the interface. We have the menu bar at the top. We have then the project media area. So this is where you import your media, your audios, or your images. And once you click import, you can import something from here. And if you notice there we have media, and then we have some of the options over here. We have stock media. Now these are the media that are provided by Wondershare. So for instance, you can just download this one. And then if you double click it, it will show you a preview of what that clip will do. So if you want to add that to your clips, to your videos once you're editing, you can do that. Then we head over to audio. Again, it has provided free royalties of music for you and the different genres here. So we have sad, sensitive, just expand it a little bit. We have hip hop, rock, corporate, sports, and workout. They're all here. You can select them. Then we have title. Now, if you want to add a title heading to your media, to your clip, you can just head over here, select them, and then add it. So there's this one. If you double click, it will give you a preview. That's how that will look like. Let's double click on this one, so you can see the title will be at the lower part of that clip. So you can just scroll through all these and make a selection. Then we head over to transitions. Again, there are different transitions. So if you double click on this one, it will show you the dissolve transition. Double click on this one, this is the warp zone transition. So it depends on what you want to add to your media, to your videos as you're editing them. You can just head over here, download one. Let's just download this one. And then it will give you a preview. So you just double click and it will give you a preview. We also have effects, the same thing with the effects. You double click on this, you get the 4 seasons effect. You have the RGB stroke effect. So again, you can just go through and select one. We have filters, stickers, and then at the very end we have templates. Now you have ready-made templates for you that you can edit if you want to. So for example, you have this wedding scene documentary template. So if I double click, it will give me a preview of the clip. Let's just click and drag it over here. So here we have the template. Let's play. So it's wonderful clip about a wedding and the friends and whatever. Now, if you want to use that template, you can select it and then you can replace the images, videos with your material. So all you have to do is once you've downloaded it, place it on the timeline, this is the timeline. Then click over here, click to replace material. And this window will open up. Now from over here, these are the videos that you want to replace. So all you have to do is import media and then replace them. Then if you want to expand it to currently for 5 seconds, if you want a minute long, 10 minutes, you can expand the template from over here. Or you can just say the changes as they are, and that will be it. So that is if you want to work with templates, that is how you can proceed.